Hello everybody, my name is Rebeca Martinez and today I'm going to share with you my healthy strawberry ice cream recipe. Let's get to it. So how do you make ice cream healthy? You use a ton of fruit. We're going to use 1 3/4 cup of raw cashews, 4.5 cups of frozen strawberries, 6 to 8 medjool dates, and some plant milk, and soak it overnight. This ensures that the cashews are nice and soft. If you're using strawberries that are frozen, it allows them to defrost slowly, and it's a little less work for you the same day if you want to make the ice cream, and it's just really fast because the day after you just pop it in the blender. Make sure to pit all of your dates. The dates don't have to be completely submerged. You can also nuke them a little bit in the microwave to ensure that they get nice and soft, but either way they will soak a little bit with the rest of the fruit because of the residual water that will escape the strawberries. So move the dates and the strawberries to the side and just leave the cashews and the plant milk because we're gonna blitz these first. The way we do this is because the cashews will need to be eviscerated. When I first went vegan, there was nothing more annoying than chunky cashews in a sauce. Add a teaspoon of vanilla powder or more for delicious taste. You can use vanilla paste or vanilla extract if you do not have vanilla powder, but this stuff is really delicious. I recommend it, but it is on the pricier side. Once the cashews are nicely blended, add all of your strawberries. We're going to do everything little by little to ensure that everything is really nice and creamy. We don't want a chunky ice cream. That sounds gross. It'll start to turn a lovely pink at this point. If you want more strawberry flavor, add more strawberries. And last but not least, add your medjool dates or whatever kind of dates that you have. If you want it to be a sweeter ice cream, be sure to add more than 6 to 8. I recommend 10 to 12 for a really sweet ice cream. Once it is super smooth, like to the point where you can stick your finger in and not have any chunks be on your fingertips, we're gonna take an ice cream maker. I love an ice cream maker because it just makes your life so much easier rather than waiting and moving around the ice cream in the freezer every couple of hours. But the only thing with the ice cream maker, you need to previously freeze the ice cream tub, so make sure to do this as well when you soak your cashews. Put all of the mixture into that main circular contraption, put the mixer into it, and put it on for about 25 minutes until it starts to look nice and icy, almost like a gelato. This ice cream is super nice and creamy. It's obviously not going to be completely frozen at this point. This is my favorite stage of the ice cream, to be totally honest. I prefer it right as it's like gently frozen by the ice cream maker rather than when it's completely frozen in the freezer. Put it all into a ice cream safe bin. I will leave these linked into the description because they prevent freezer burn and they work like magic. This ice cream is super delicious and it will keep in the freezer for up to 2 months. If you like this content, be sure to subscribe and see you next Friday.